Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to send one-time view message and photos videos on WhatsApp. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to a conversation and now to send a one-time view photos, tap on this camera icon or tap on this paperclip icon to upload a photo from your gallery. So here's I'm selecting this photo, and now to make this photo one time view, all you have to need just tap on this little one icon to enable view once. Now just send this photo, and this is how we can send one time view photos. And to send a one time view video, I'm going to capturing a dummy video first. Now tap on this one to enable view once and then send the video. And this is how we can send one-time view video and photos on WhatsApp. And to send a one-time text message, here is no option to do it, but you can enable message disappearing. To do that, tap on the chat name at the top, and here scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. All you have to need, select message timer. So if you select 24 hours, all of your text messages will be automatically disappear after 24 hours. So I'm going to switch my account to show you the final result. As you can see, I received a photo here. If I open the photo, here we can see the photo, but after viewing one time, I can't open the photo for second time. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.